Welcome to the fascinating world of the future, where innovation and imagination intertwine to create endless possibilities. In this video, we invite you to embark on a journey that will introduce you to 7 extraordinary business ideas that have the potential to reshape our world. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready to explore the exciting realm of future entrepreneurship. Our first idea takes us into the realm of virtual reality services. Picture yourself stepping into a realm beyond imagination, where virtual reality becomes a gateway to unexplored worlds. From mind-blowing gaming experiences that blur the lines between reality and fantasy, to captivating virtual tourism that allows us to visit far-off destinations without leaving our homes, this rapidly growing market offers countless opportunities for businesses to captivate and entertain audiences like never before. As the world embraces the urgency of sustainable living, energy renewables stand at the forefront of future-forward businesses. Imagine harnessing the power of the sun through advanced solar panels, creating energy storage solutions that provide a reliable and clean power source, or building a robust electric vehicle charging infrastructure to accelerate the transition to eco-friendly transportation. These ventures not only contribute to a greener planet, but also unlock significant economic potential in the emerging clean energy sector. In an era where technology is deeply integrated into our daily lives, specialized virtual assistants are becoming indispensable companions. Imagine having an AI assistant that understands and caters to your specific needs, whether it's providing personalized healthcare recommendations, offering expert financial advice, or seamlessly managing your smart home automation. These AI companions have the potential to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact, making our lives easier, more efficient, and tailored to our individual preferences. With urban areas facing the challenge of limited space, vertical urban farming emerges as a solution that combines sustainability, efficiency, and the power of innovation. By utilizing advanced hydroponic or aeroponic systems, businesses can grow fresh produce in vertical environments, turning skyscrapers and urban spaces into fertile grounds for agriculture. This transformative approach not only reduces the need for large tracts of land, but also offers the opportunity to provide local, organic food to urban communities, fostering a healthier and more sustainable future. In the ever-evolving digital landscape, the importance of advanced cybersecurity services cannot be overstated. As technology advances, so do the risks and vulnerabilities associated with it. Businesses that specialize in cutting-edge cybersecurity services are essential for protecting sensitive data, preventing cyber threats, and ensuring the digital safety of individuals and organizations. From real-time threat detection to data encryption and digital forensics, these cybersecurity pioneers play a crucial role in safeguarding our digital future. Imagine a world where delivery services are revolutionized by drone delivery. With autonomous drones taking to the skies, the future of logistics is set to soar to new heights. Picture packages swiftly transported through the air, bypassing congested roads and reducing delivery times. This game-changing business opportunity not only enhances efficiency and customer satisfaction, but also paves the way for innovative last-mile delivery solutions that could reshape the entire logistics industry. Lastly, we invite you to prepare for the era of space tourism experiences. As humanity embarks on a new chapter of exploration, adventurers can now dream of venturing beyond Earth's atmosphere. Offering unique space travel packages, zero-gravity experiences, or inspiring Earth observation from space, or even stays at space stations, this emerging industry brings us closer to the stars and unlocks the wonders of the cosmos to a broader audience. As the final frontier beckons, businesses at the forefront of this celestial journey have the opportunity to create extraordinary experiences that were once reserved for astronauts alone. The future is brimming with possibilities, and these 7 futuristic business ideas represent just a glimpse of what lies ahead. So, my fellow pioneers, embrace the spirit of innovation, dare to dream big, and seize the opportunity to shape the world of tomorrow. The future is waiting, and it's up to us to make it extraordinary.